Hi friends! In today's video I would like to tell you about the whitelist of the Crodo project. How can it be useful to you? So as always we will analyze everything in detail so that after watching you don't have any questions. Let's go! If we go to white paper, we see many sections, namely Introduction, Advantages, Chronos, Tokenomics, Marketing, One Paper, Roadmap, Tiers, Staking Rewards, Title, Stage, Redemption of Tokens, Ambassadors Program, Referral Program, Brand Assets, Applies a Project, Team, Contacts, and others. This is all of information of Crodo. For example, in the Benefit section or Advantage section, you can read about all the benefits of the project and how it differs from the ideal platforms. In the tokenomics section, we can process all the material on the Crodo token, public and private sales, its initial capitalization, what the token will be distributed, and so on. The marketing section describes the stage of the project, ambassadorial program, public sale, and staking rewards. The roadmap section shows us all the completed tasks for the first quarter and what are the plans for the project in the coming months. In the documentation section we see tiers, staking, how staking is calculated, titles, ambassadorial program, redemption of tokens, referral program, brand assets, team, contacts, and others. How can we use this? If you are interested in the Crodo project, you can read in detail to decide for yourself to follow this project further or not. Will you be interested in his future ideal? If you are the ambassador of the Crodo project, then you just need the white paper. To write articles or create videos, you will take information from this document. It contains extended material about Crodo. Accordingly, when you make content, you must fully understand and know what you are writing about. That's why you need white paper. For example, if you are not sure about something while recording a video, it's easy to go to white paper and look at the information you forgot. For the ambassador, this is the main book for the period of the first epoch. And white paper is necessary for investors who want to invest in this project. As there is no detailed information about the project on the site, the investor can go to the white paper and go through each item to get acquainted in detail with the project. Thus, white paper plays a big role for Crodo investors and ambassadors. Thank you for everyone. Bye!